Hello everyone. What we have here is an Oreck Discover vacuum cleaner. It weighs just under 8 pounds. Many customers have questions about the cord hook, or sometimes called the cord wrap, breaking. And here's what we've found. Instead of using the carrying handle, many folks lift the vacuum by the cord hook to take it upstairs, take it back to the closet, or even to put it away. When the vacuum has 3 to 4 pounds of dirt inside, along with the cord and the vacuum itself, the weight can reach as much as 20 pounds. The cord hook wasn't designed to handle that kind of stress over time, which can lead to it breaking. A simple solution is to always lift the vacuum using the designated carrying handle, which is just below the cord wrap, labeled carry handle. Otherwise, this is an excellent, lightweight vacuum. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and it's powerful enough to handle daily cleaning needs. The vacuum's HEPA filtration system does a great job of keeping dust and allergens contained, which is a plus for allergy sufferers. If you need a replacement cord hook, we have a new heavy-duty design of the original part available. It only has 4 or 5 Phillips head screws that need to be removed, and then it can easily be replaced. Check the description below for details on how to order the cord hook. Additionally, maintaining your vacuum is key to its longevity. Make sure to replace the bag when it's full and inspect the brush roll regularly to remove hair or debris. Doing this will keep your vacuum running at its best. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We post tips, troubleshooting advice, and maintenance guides to help you get the most out of your appliances. Your support helps us grow and continue creating valuable content for our customers. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. We're a small business working hard to keep up with home fixes. Have a great day.